What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video, man. Today I got something fun to do. I'm about to put my wheels on that side. That means I gotta raise the car up. I gotta do all that extra stuff. Low key, no, high key. I hate adjusting height on cars, but I gotta do it. Man, oh man. Yeah, I still need a few things like center caps and stickers, but this is what the car looks like. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sheesh. Girl looking good. Alright guys, so this is how the car looks. Looks pretty clean. I'm missing center caps and stickers, but I need to raise the height on this tire because it's touching the fender. But overall, I love the look of the car. Looks great. It's coming together. This is my daily, man. If you have an F-Gen and you don't want to spend $200-300 on TPMS sensors, definitely go on Facebook and contact Joe 9th Jenny or 9th Genie. Whichever one, I'm not quite sure. But he sells the tire pressure monitoring system delete for the module, which is what I'm about to explain to you guys on how to install. It works great. I've seen tons of people use it. It's very cheap. It's like $80-90. You have to be on a waiting list. So, but I promise you, he will ship out to you as soon as it's available. And when it's your turn. I had to wait like a week or two for mine, and it ended up coming in. This is before I even got the wheels and all that stuff, so I went ahead and I planned ahead for it, and it was definitely worth it. So now I'm about to go ahead and show you guys how to install it. Alright boys, so here I have the TPMSD delete, which is tire pressure monitoring system delete, and it's fairly easy to install. You can just go ahead and take this off. You can have it hanging from one side. So it sits right there. It's held on by a clip. You just fish out. Then there's the plug. Disconnect the plug. And we're done. Once you pry the cover off, literally all you do is slide this guy out from pushing, and you are all set with that. If you can keep it if you want, if you ever choose to sell the car and you sell the stuff separate. This is what the TPMSD looks like. So we're just gonna go ahead and reinstall. So once everything's back together, this is what it should look like. And you just go ahead and install it exactly how you took it out. The module is now installed back in factory place. You just pop the panels back on. And test it out. It's lit. All right, so the daily's pretty much set. The TPMSD is installed. Now I can turn off traction control. I can even set the tire pressures to whatever I want. Very content. Honestly, the build doesn't really stop with that side just because I got it cosmetically where I want it to be. I still need to change my lip. Get my side skirts painted. I want to get stickers and center caps for the rays, or for the gram lights. I definitely want to get drill slider rotors for this from Stop Tech. Stop Tech, if you're watching this, holla at me. Nah, but on a serious note, I really would like to do that. And I already did the 100K service on the car. The spark plugs, air filter, cabin filter, valve adjustment. The only thing that I'm missing is a coolant flush. But that is all for today's video. If you like what you're seeing, do me a favor, leave a comment, leave a like. Definitely turn on your post notifications for me so you guys can see the videos whenever they drop. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that stick is fire.